Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the background color for your designs or images in Photopea.com. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So as you can see, I prepared an example design and project like that with an example text like this here. And now I would like to change the background color or the color of that simple plain white background here. So basically all you need to do, guys, is add a new background to your design. To do that, select the rectangle tool here at the bottom of that left panel, draw that rectangle or place it by pressing and holding your left mouse just like that, and simply assign a different color to that background or rectangle background. All you need to do is click on that color box here at the top where it says fill, select the color fill and choose your preferred color from that list below, and that is going to apply the color to your rectangle background. You may also put your background or your rectangle at the bottom of your list of layers here to the right, so that the rectangle is always in the very background of your design. So that's basically how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.